In today's video, we're going to talk about company code and plant. Let's start off with company code. Think of a company code as representing a business entity. When you set up a company code, it's like registering your business. In SAP, if there's no company code, the system doesn't know who owns the funds. Whenever a product is sold, SAP needs to know which company is getting the payment. Now moving on to the plant, a plant is basically a physical place. It's where goods are produced and stored, kind of like a warehouse. We'll first create a company code, then a plant, and finally we'll connect the two to start open up the SPRO transaction. Go to the SAP reference IMG and then head over to Enterprise Structure. Since we're defining a company code, click on the Definition section. Choose Financial Accounting and run this option. Here, select Edit Company Code Data. Double-click here. Since we're adding a new company, click on New Entries. Enter the company code. This could be a 4-digit number, or you can include letters if you want. Fill in the company name, city, country, currency, and language, then hit the Save icon. If you don't see the currency you need, just pick another one. Now that the company code is done, let's move on to creating the plant. Again, go to SPRO, Reference IMG, and Enterprise Structure. This time, go to Definition, but instead of Financial Accounting, select Logistics. Run this option. Double-click on Define Plant, select New Entry, and assign a code to your plant. Save your changes. Now let's link the company code with the plant. Once more, open SPRO. Go to Enterprise Structure. This time, pick Assignment, then Logistics, and select Assign Plant to Company Code. Run this option. Click on New Entry, then enter the company code and the plant code. Press Enter. You'll see that the company name and plant name get filled in automatically. Save your work. That's how you connect these two together. Now your physical goods are officially registered under the company.